Syedara, Presiden Prabowo Subianto melakukan panggilan telepon kepada Presiden terpilih Amerika Serikat AS Donald Trump untuk memberikan ucapan selamat atas terpilihnya Trump. Momen tersebut diunggah Prabowo melalui akun Instagramnya pada Senin 11 November 2024 dalam format gambar hitam putih.
Sir,
And your English is so good.
yes, sir. I've been to. All my training is American, sir.
That's great. We had a great election in the U.S. We had a great election. It's amazing what happened. We had tremendous success. The most successful in over 100 years, they say, and it's a great honor. So it gives me a very big mandate to do things properly.
And of course, we were all shocked when they tried to assassinate you, but we are very happy that the Almighty protected you, sir.
Yes, I got very lucky. I just happened to be in the right place in the right direction. Otherwise, I wouldn't be talking to you right now. I got quite lucky, actually.
Yes, sir. And
somebody was protecting me, I guess.
yeah.
How are you doing? Everything good?
Yes, sir.
Everything good?
Yes, sir. And I also had the honor of hosting Mr. Jared Kushner, and I hope to keep in touch with him again.
That's good. Well, whenever you're around, you let me know, and I'd like to also get to your country sometime. It's incredible. The job that you're doing is incredible.
Thank you, sir.
You're a very respected person.
Sir.
And I give you credit for that. It's not easy.
Thank you, sir.
It's not easy.
I'll try to call on you at your convenience, sir, if it's possible. Yes, sir.
Yes, you call anytime you want. You have my number. This is my number.
Thank you, sir.
And you call anytime you want. It's my great honor to talk to you, and I'll see you soon. I look forward to. Please send to your people, to the people of Indonesia, my regards. That I have great respect for them and for you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, Mr. President. Thank you, sir. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
You.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.